Hi, Bella.
Hello, teacher.
How are you feeling now, Bella? It seems like you're sleepy.
No,
Oh, no, you're not. What are you doing? Are you lying down? Are you lying
no,
down, Bella? Are you sitting? Are you eating? What are you doing?
no.
Are you tired?
Mm, yeah.
Oh, okay. Why? What makes you tired? What did you do? What did you do?
Hungry.
You are hungry. Why don't you eat? You can eat while we're having our class. That is fine. You can eat, Mila. Mila. Do you have food? Mila? Mila? Do you have food there? Can you hear me, Mila? Hello, Mila. Are you getting something? Okay, just speak up once you're ready, Mila, because I can't hear you right now. Are you still there, Mila?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let us proceed. Okay, can you tell me what is he wearing?
Um, it is
He is wearing a, what is it?
is um I forgot.
Okay, he is wearing a shirt, Mila. He's wearing a shirt. Now, what about this girl? What is she wearing? What is
Uh,
she wearing?
he is wearing a skirt.
Okay, yeah, she is wearing a skirt. Next one. What's he wearing?
Um, he's wearing a jeans.
Okay, he's wearing jeans, Mela. Remember, Mela, jeans, it is plural, Mela. So we'll not say a jeans. It's always he's wearing jeans. We only say a or an. Yeah, we only say a or an, Mela, if the next word, like for example, a banana, it's only one, Mela. Banana or an apple. Okay, we don't say an apples. Okay. Now, next one, let us. Okay, what's he wearing?
Um, he is wearing a suit.
Okay, a suit. Okay, very good. What's he wearing? What is he wearing, Mela?
He's wearing a t-shirt.
Okay, yes, a t-shirt. And what about him? What's he wearing? What's he wearing?
He wearing a pants.
Not a pants, Mela. It's pants. Same as jeans, Mela. We always consider them as plural ones. Okay, so jeans, pants, trousers. Okay, so we don't need articles before it. He is wearing pants. Okay, not he's wearing a pants. That is incorrect. Okay, so now let us proceed to exercise 3. Okay, so we're done talking about comfortable, ugly, uncomfortable, and fashionable. So can you tell me what is casual, Mela? What is casual? What is
Casual.
casual? Yes.
I don't know.
Okay, so when we say casual, Mela, or casual wear, these are the type of clothing that we wear every day, basically because they are comfortable. Okay, they are our everyday wear, casual, okay, casual clothes.
Quần áo thường ngày.
Okay? Okay, Mela?
Okay.
Yes, that
Okay.
is casual clothes. Now, what about cheap? Cheap. Cheap.
Cheap. Um. Um.
Cheap.
It's not expensive.
Okay, it's not expensive. It doesn't cost a lot of money. Okay, what about formal, Mela? Formal.
Uh, more
Formal, it means.
I don't know.
Okay, when we say formal, Mela, it means proper. Okay, these are the type of clothes that we wear in certain occasions or in going to certain locations. Like for example, if you would work in companies, Mela, you have to wear um formal clothes. One example of this, Mela, is a suit. Okay, so it is a formal clothing. Okay, so now, Mela, since we're done with we still have the last one, expensive. What is expensive?
It's not cheap.
Okay, yes, it is not cheap. It costs a lot of money. Okay, what is the most expensive thing you have bought, Mela? What
Uh,
was the most expensive thing you bought?
Món đồ đắt nhất bạn từng mua là gì?
uh, my car husband.
No, you bought? What is that? A toy?
Yeah,
A toy?
a car.
You bought a car for your husband? You mean a toy car, Mela? Toy car? Toy car?
Now is my car husband.
Can you show it to me?
I I I uh can I send the photo in
Yes.
chat?
Yes, of course. You can send it here.
Wait.
What is that, Mela? Like a souvenir? Like a souvenir? Okay, wait.
Wait, me.
Okay. Okay, wait, let me see. Oh, cards, not car. Okay, cards, Mela. Oh, why is it expensive? How much are these? How much?
Um, I translate it.
Well, you can just print it out, Mela. You can print on your own. Who gave you money to buy those things? Who give you money? Did your mom give you money?
My dad and my mom.
Ah, okay. Wait, how much is that? I am curious.
Wait. I translate it.
Is it thousands, Mela?
Uh, it's about it's approximately uh
How much? 500,000 VND? Wait. Oh, wait. What happened? Oh, wait. Why can't I see it clearly? I can see it, Mela. Wait. Okay,
did you see it?
approximately 350,000 VND. The total of... Really? That's too expensive.
Yeah.
Why is it so expensive?
It's real. It's real.
Oh, it's real.
Yeah, it's not the card fake.
Oh, okay. That is why it is very expensive. That's a lot, Mila. That's a lot of money. Okay, but you are happy with what you have bought. Okay, Mila. Now, let us have the practice. And in here, all you have to do is to tell me which of the items on the list are positive and which are negative. Okay, so when we say comfortable, Mila, is it positive or negative?
It's positive.
Okay, what about ugly?
Um, Is negative.
Uncomfortable.
Is negative.
Fashionable.
Is positive.
Casual.
Um, positive.
Cheap.
Positive.
Formal.
Positive.
Expensive.
Negative.
Oh, it's negative. Okay. But yeah, in some cases, Mila, when we say expensive, it could be positive. The more expensive something is, the better, or it has great quality, Mela. However, when we say cheap, yes, they are affordable. However, in some cases, they cannot be trusted at all. Okay, so now since we're done with exercise 4, let us have let us have exercise 4, dialogue. In here, you have to read it with me and answer some questions. What are your favorite clothes, Arissa?
I really like my blue dress.
When did you buy it?
Mm, About it's 5 years ago.
Why do you like it?
Um, it's very comfortable and fashionable.
What other clothes do you like wearing?
Mm, what what I like wearing my shoes.
When did you buy it?
Uh, three 3 months ago.
Why do you like it?
Um, it's formal, but it is comfortable.
Do you like wearing formal clothes?
Um, no, I don't. I like wearing casual clothes.
Okay, thank you so much, Mela. Well done. Okay, so now let us check your understanding. Why does Arisa like her blue dress? Why does Arisa like her blue dress? Mela,
Um,
because?
uh,
What do you think? Why does Arisa like her blue dress? Because?
um, I forgot.
Okay, so let me show you. Mm-hmm. Can you tell me now? Why does she like her blue dress?
It's very comfortable and fashionable.
Okay, yes, very good, Mela. When did Arisa buy her suit?
Uh,
When did she buy her suit? Can you remember, Mela, or no? When did she buy her suit?
Because
She bought it.
because it's 3 months ago.
Okay, yes, very good. 3 months ago. Now, does Arisa like wearing formal clothes?
Uh, Forgot.
You forgot? Okay, can you try to guess? Is it yes or no? Can you try to guess, Mela? Do you think it's a yes or no?
No.
No, okay, yes, that is correct. No, she doesn't like wearing formal clothes. She likes to wear casual clothes. Okay, she likes wearing casual clothes, Mela. Now let us have exercise 5 matching. Tell me the correct answer to each question. What are your favorite clothes?
Um, I I like my jeans.
Okay, is it A or C?
Is A and is
Okay,
C.
it's A, Mela. It's jeans. It's jeans. One pair of it, Mela, that is shorts. Same as jeans, Mela. One piece of it, Mela, we call it jeans. So as shorts. Okay? So the correct answer is A. I like my jeans. Now what about 4-2? When did you buy it?
Um, I I bought it on April.
Okay, I bought it in April, Mela, in April. It's the second one. Because April, Mela, it is a very general. You don't really know what a day in April it is. Okay, however, like for example, we'd say April 17th of April, then that is the time we'll use in. I mean on. Okay? On the 17th of April. Okay, so now, next one, 3. Why do you like it? Why do
Is
you like it?
casual is casual and fashionable.
Okay, it's casual and comfortable. Okay, what about for 4? What other clothes do you like wearing?
Uh, I like wearing dresses.
Okay, is it comfortable?
No, it isn't.
Do you like wearing dresses?
Yes, I do.
Okay, yes, very good. Mela, what about you? What are you wearing now, Mela?
Shorts and t-shirt.
Oh, shorts and t-shirts. Do you have other class after this, Mela, or no?
No.
Oh, okay, which means you can relax the whole day. Okay, that is great. So, you can eat after our class, Mela, and then maybe sleep. Are you going to sleep or play Roblox?
Sleep.
Maybe you can sleep for 30 minutes, Mela, and play afterwards. Okay, so now I believe that is all it for our class today. Mela, thank you so much and enjoy your time. I'll see you again tomorrow. Okay, goodbye, Mela.
Goodbye, teacher.